I can't believe I'm meeting my internet best friend today. A few months ago, I made a workout video that was inspired by Kate Lee, and I never thought we'd become friends or even meet each other. And today we are. Oh, I just want to cry. But we have been bonding a lot lately, and I feel like we can have great conversations, and I'm just so excited to spend the night with her and just have a lot of fun, go shopping, eat food. And I never thought I'd be meeting an internet friend, and it's just crazy to have the opportunity to be able to meet someone on the internet and kind of just see someone that I've been talking to for a while like come to life, if that makes sense. I have to wait a few hours till I drive to Boston, but I'm just gonna finish up my homework and I'll update you guys then. Bye, Michael. I brought an extra battery so I could vlog when I meet her. And I'm so excited. Thank you, Mom.
Hello.
Thank you for driving me.
我再等一下，我再稍微等一下。
Yeah, my mom had to reschedule my sister's doctor's appointment, and she's very sweet. It took me a while to convince her to say yes, but she did. Now she just slapped me in the butt. So this be the fit for today. My t-shirt is from Brandy Melville. It's my favorite t-shirt from them. Pink is my new favorite color, so I'm really living for it. My jeans are from American Eagle. These are literally my favorite pair of jeans. I used to think that American Eagle jeans were way too overpriced, but they're so worth it, let me tell you. And my flip-flops are just from Ralph Lauren, and I haven't worn them in a long time. But since summer is here, I am pulling them back out. What's your outfit of the day?
The shirt from Abercrombie, the skirt from Urban, Van, and it's scrunchy.
What? That's where it went? My mom's that person that literally takes 20 minutes to get into a car, so hopefully she comes soon. I'm taking my hair out so I don't look like a weirdo. We're officially out in Boston. Kate sent me a link to her Lyft so I can track where she is. She'll be here in about like 6 minutes. We are meeting at Brandy Melville and we're just gonna do some shopping and eat a little bit. So we had a few malfunctions in meeting Kate because like I didn't give my mom the best directions. So we're like walking and meeting each other at the midpoint. So hopefully that works out. We've just been sending each other pictures of where we are. But I really can't wait to meet her and I hope it actually works out. So we were supposed to meet at Georgetown Cupcakes and now I'm here, so she said 2 minutes. Never really met someone on the internet before, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Oh.
Hi, I'm Nan. Nice to meet you, Kate.
Hi, I'm Kate. So your parents are here? Oh, they're over there.
This doesn't feel real. Hi.
Oh my god, wait.
Like, I feel like I know what you look like and I've talked to you.
We both heard each other's voices, so it's so weird. It's like we know each other.
Yeah, it's so weird. Oh my gosh.
Take a picture for you guys.
Actually getting cupcakes with my friend from Boston.
My friend from Hawaii.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hope I have enough footage for this vlog.
I know this is gonna be a really short vlog. It's just hard to vlog while you're like shopping.
Yeah, and talking. Have you ever met anyone like from the internet?
Nope.
Same. Is there a warehouse sale that we didn't know about? Hold up.
We're not currently in line.
That'd be so funny if we told them what our channels are.
We're ready now. I'm so excited. I don't know which one to look at. It's not even in focus. Okay, there it is. Wait, I'll put it like right there.
We need to take a thumbnail sometime. Where's like a good place in Brandy?
There's a marker. I was like, I should hold myself. Annie spotted someone that she might know. I swear. No way.
Let me find her.
She is. No.
Can we talk to her?
You want to talk to her? I'm really awkward.
Excuse me, are you Riley?
Yeah.
Could you be in our vlog?
Oh my god, yeah, I like
I've seen your videos like setting up a Brandy in Boston.
Yeah.
Hi. Riley, you see her in the Brandy Melville.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, goals.
Hi, thank you for saying hi.
You're so friendly.
I'm surprised she didn't ask for
The
it.
brandies here are so cute. Oh my god, I want to shop so much. I need this.
There's like a lot of things that aren't on the site here.
Pink or blue? I've been kind of into a blue phase, which is weird because I'm never in a blue. I'd say purple. Be bold.
I feel like it's different.
Oh, this is a really nice green. I just love all these colors.
Shirt.
I really want a lavender shirt. Like, if you find a really cute shirt you want, we should match with that. Just let me know.
That one's cute too.
Oh yeah.
But it's basic. Everyone at school has it.
Oh
I
yeah.
hate matching with people at school.
Hi. Oh my god. Do you want to put your Instagram?
Oh, my Instagram is just Tran Lee with 2 L's and 2 E's.
Why does your name sound so familiar? Wait,
I'm Vietnamese.
I feel like there was this girl that watched my videos and her name was Tran Lee. I don't know, like.
Well, I watched it, but I didn't like comment or anything.
I think that's someone
I liked your video though.
Oh,
and I
thank you.
seen one of your videos before. Because you have like a really like recognizable face.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's kind of good, I guess.
No, I saw you walking earlier. I was like, I swear I've seen her on YouTube before.
Really?
But, like, I couldn't
No, we
remember
saw one of
your
the
name.
Brandy workers here, and I've seen her on
That girl
Instagram.
over there, the redhead?
Yeah, we put her
She's
on.
on the Brandy Instagram.
Yeah, and I've
she
seen her.
is.
on
Today's just a
Instagram.
weird day. We keep meeting like random.
Yeah. Oh my.
I really want to wear this pink with this skirt.
I have like green like stuff.
Annie, you were here telling me that you wanted to avoid green.
I mean, it was blue, but I still put
Guys, I'm
denim.
improving with my color. I have purple.
Yeah, you have a really like nice color
and
scheme.
blue and lavender. So, no, we're changing things up because I always wear pink. I really wanted to do a wearing pink for a week video.
You should. I have my fit on. Yeah, and I thought nothing would fit, but I actually really like it. I don't want to say goodbye. This is bad. It's not good to get attached to someone that lives in Hawaii. But we should take a thumbnail with our fit since we kind of backed out of the last thumbnail. Oh my god, I actually have really been wanting to go to Hawaii. Me and my friends were like joking that we go to Hawaii as like a friend's trip, but like I was honestly kind of serious about it. I'm like, I just gotta work hard on YouTube and you know, fly to Hawaii. I get way too committed. Oh, it's so cute. These shorts are so comfortable. So these sweatpants are a no. I'm definitely gonna get the jean jacket. I love it so much. And the Boston Athletics. Yeah, I just tried everything on. I feel like I don't have enough footage for this vlog and Kate has gone so much, so I might ask her for some footage. This day is so fun. I can't like, oh my god. This one I'm interested in. The jean jacket, the Boston Athletics shirt, and these shorts. Our parents are probably so annoyed at us.
Annie looks like she's in her comfort zone buying green.
I literally feel like I don't have enough footage for this vlog. Like, gotta send me some footage.
This is gonna be an Ava Jules inspired vlog because her vlogs are like 6 minutes long. Maybe we'll do some voiceovers.
Hi, thank you.
I got our stuff. I wish we had more time because then we could film like a
I know,
Q&A or like a...
I know, right? I feel like I'm gonna get too attached. I'm really glad you brought me that necklace though. Thank you so much. Like, I feel like I should have.
We should do a gift swap and like ship each other's
Oh
stuff.
my gosh, that'd be so fun. There you go.
I always look at the viewfinder.
The same. Like, it's so weird to have a viewfinder up there.
Bye, love you.
Bye.
Wow.
And now my son. Hey guys, so me and Kate have had so much fun today. We just like got to talk. And it's like so cool to see someone online like become real. It's so bad to become like attached or friends with someone that lives so far away, but I will fly to Hawaii eventually. Hi. So make sure to watch the ads so I can go do that.
Yeah, guys, don't skip the ads, okay?
And don't forget to watch Kate's video because she's doing a like meeting my internet friend and it's gonna be so exciting. And her social medias will be linked down below. Before we come home, me and my mom are gonna get some gelato. I'm trying to get home and my mom's taking pictures of everything and we're not even tourists here. We live here. Today is definitely a day to remember and I just want to thank...
It's fun for me.
I just want to thank anyone who watches my videos because if my videos didn't get noticed more, I wouldn't even know Kate. Kate probably wouldn't even know me. I'm just so grateful for that. I thank God, I thank you guys, and I thank my mom. We're finally back in the car. We took a long walk. Now we're gonna try to make it to church. Good night, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Check out Kate's channel. And I'm seriously in love with the necklace she gave me. Like, I wanted to talk more about how good it is to have internet friends sometimes as a YouTuber because it's really hard to talk to like real life friends about YouTube sometimes because I don't want to sound stuck up or like, not grateful. I think it's really nice having an internet friend that can relate sometimes about these things because I am like comfortable with talking about YouTube with them. I just noticed that with Kate and it's something that I really value. So yeah, thank you so much, Kate, for just making me feel comfortable to be able to talk about business and kind of just YouTube in general. And it can be really hard to open up with that like with people in my day-to-day life.
But don't forget to hit the notification bell if you guys enjoyed this video, because I have a lot of great content coming out in the summer, and I'm actually going to be away in China. When you guys see this, I will actually be in China. I have been pre-filming all my videos, so although videos are going up, I'm really sorry if I'm not like actively responding to comments, because I will be in China and I won't be able to use YouTube in China. But I am trying my best to actually put out content when I am traveling, and I'm also going to be at sleepaway camp later, so a lot of pre-filming is gonna go on. So that's all I had to say, and notification bell, please.